Good morning to all. तो प्रीवियस क्लास में कहाँ तक हुआ था हम लोग का? और फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कर लिए थे, सेकंड भी हो गया था हम लोग का। सेकंड is completed, third one is completed. The fifth completed, now six. Let's discuss about the sixth numerical. And now start our coming with the first question, six question number question. Two plates 10 mm. Okay, the two plates 10 mm means the two plates 10 mm. Okay. One minute, wait. Discuss about
Okay. That is a 2 plus 10 mm and 8 mm. See, joined by a triple riveted lab joint. Okay, so in the image, riveted lab joint is first image. Okay, there is second and is third. We will find a suitable pitch for the outer row of rivets. If the pitch for central row of rivets is half, pitch for the outer row. If permissible stress for rivets, you share at bearing equal to 90 megapascal and 220 megapascal respectively, and permissible tensile plate equal to the 150 megapascal. Also find efficiency. This how to find the efficiency of the plant. I already discussed in previous class. Okay, you find the efficiency right in the previous numericals. Okay, you see what is solved means the minimum is 2.5 into D. Okay, the first you have what is find? First you find the diameter of rivet. Diameter, how to find diameter of rivets? You show the image is 6.0 under root 1. Okay, 6.0 is the under root 1. Okay, this is this. So you to solve the question is 6.01 under root 8 equal to 19.16.9 mm. Okay, let me just say the ATM. You can only use the diameter of rivet. Diameter of rivet means the ellipse diameter of rivet is the ATM. Okay, the strength of rivet in single seam. Second step is to find the strength of rivet in single shear. Is the 90 upon 1000 into 5 by 4 into 19.5. The 19.5 is the diameter of rivet. Okay, equal to how then to solve we solve the problem, solve this part and getting the answer was 26.82. Okay. Then now third step we find the strength of defect bearing is 8 on 8 mm plate. Given the 8 mm plate and 6 mm plate, 8 mm, 10 mm plate you are going to make it. But 10 mm is fine. Okay. Then now the strength of defense bearing of 8 mm plate to 20 upon 1000 into 9.5 into 8 equal to 42.12 kilometers. We solve this part and getting the answer is a 42.12. Today you already solved the previous question. This formula is already used. Okay. And the rebate value is getting the strength of rebate single cell. Rebate value equal to 26.88 kilonewton. Okay. Then now we solve the question for plane A. Okay, plate A and plate B. These two plates, plate A is a plate B. Okay. The plate A in figure is the most critical section will be along to one section one section. Okay, section one and a section two. Section one is this part, section two is this part. Okay, okay. Suppose is section one. Okay, section one part is there. This section two part is this. And the rivet. Okay. Suppose then for plate A, figure most critical section is 1.1 to 1 and 2 to 2 section. So first find the strength of plate per pitch along section 1. Strength of plate per pitch along section 1 taken 1000 into P minus 19.5 into P. Okay, 150 upon 1000 to P minus 19.5 into F equal to 1.2 minus 23.4 kilo. Okay. The strength of plate per pitch along section. The strength plate per pitch along system equal to 150 upon 1000 into P minus 2 into 19.5 into 8 plus 6.8 equal to 1.2 E minus 19.920. Comparing 1 and 2 above section 1 is weaker. Section 1 is weaker, indicating the 1.2 P minus 23 by 4 kilometer and 1.2 minus 19. So comparing 1 and 2 above section 1 is weaker. Strength of plate per is 1.2 P minus 23.4 kilometer, indicating the strength of pitch. This is the fourth maximum efficiency joint find the efficiency. तो क्या फाइंड करना था इसमें efficiency of joint. So for maximum efficiency of joint, the strength of plate per is equal to strength of rivet equal to 1.2 P minus 23.4. Okay, 1.2 P. Seeing the strength of the 1.2 and 23.4 okay, equal to 4 into each rivet value. Okay, 4 into 26.8 would be equal to 109.1 mm here with the continent plate. Okay, this is the value of the P. Minimum permissible pitch 2.5 into 21.5. We are getting that from the software. Okay, P is equal to 109.1. To say the overall impact of 110. The minimum transmission permissible PD 2.5 and 10.15. 12.15. The minimum permissible pitch 2.5 to 21.5 is of the question. 3.75. Efficiency of joint find the formula is 4 into 26.8 into 1. Okay, 4 into 1000 upon 150 in the megapascal. Okay, into 1110 is the P. Okay, and then is the 86 piece of it. Then solve into 100 and solve this calculation. Getting them at 1.45%. Okay, the efficiency. Getting efficient joint equal to 81.45%. Okay, यहाँ तो इशू किसी को तो बोल नहीं रहे हो इसमें लोग भी नहीं बोलते हो यहाँ तो समझ में आया इसको तुम लोग को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा घर में जितना इसको सॉल्व करना धीरे टफ नहीं है बस फॉर्मूला को याद रखना ओके then now this next problem solve the design T section ये तुम्हारा एक क्वेश्चन जो है 2 प्लेट थिकनेस का ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है वो तो सॉल्व करना तुम लोग ठीक है सॉल्व हो जाएगा इसको तुम्हें क्वेश्चन देते हैं तुम लोगों को बनाने के लिए देंगे ठीक है तो तुम इसको सॉल्व करना The second question, design a T section at the F first tension report. Second question, how to solve second question, that question number 7. Design a C-section of act tension member carrying iron. Question को पहले समझो. Means that design a T-section to act as tension member carrying axial tension of 220 kilometer. Okay. Where T section act as tension member carrying an axial tension of 220 kg. How to solve the question? First you find the A tail. Required is 221 divided upon 150. Okay, area of net. The area of net tension was दिया हुआ है 220 into 1000 by 150 megapascal. This question given as 10. Okay. मुनिसिपल टेंसाइल स्ट्रेस प्लेट इक्वल टू 150 मेगापास्कल होता है. ठीक है, इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारा कितना आएगा 14,1466.6 MT मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, तो दिस इज द प्लेट रेशियो इन द इमेज तुम लोग पहले बताओ तो इमेज समझ में आ रहा है कैसे बना है इस फोटो. ये जो तुम्हारा डायग्राम बना हुआ कैसे बना हुआ है. देखो इसे देखो प्लेट है. ठीक है, 2 प्लेट्स इसमें है. प्लेट का जो रिवेट है इस सेक्शन का रिवेट का है हमारा 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, 4 रिवेट इसमें यूज हुआ है. प्लेट से फर्स्ट प्लेट से रिवेट का डिस्टेंस है. ठीक है, यहाँ तक फिर आपका है यहाँ तक फिर आपका यहाँ रिवेट तक. ओके, इतना डिस्टेंस मेरा कवर किया है. सपोज मेरा यहाँ से यहाँ 40 है, यहाँ से मेरा 50 है. प्लेट से फर्स्ट रिवेट का डिस्टेंस 40 है. फिर देन रिवेट टू सेकेंड रिवेट 50 mm, सेकेंड टू थर्ड रिवेट 50 mm, और थर्ड टू फोर्थ रिवेट 50. Then the last one is plate to rivet equal to 40. Okay, so this is the area that required 220 into 1000 upon 150 equal to 1.66.6 meters. Okay. Then now gross diameter of rivets equal to 13 plus 1.5 equal to 19.5. Gross diameter of rivets equal to 18 plus 1.5 equal to 19.5 kg. There gross diameter of rivet find you see the formula. Okay, choosing this IS is 25 at that 15.3 kg per meter, having the sectional area 19.4 standards were corrected by 13 mm diameter power driving shock rivet as shown in the figure. We will show you the figure. Okay, let's suppose the gross diameter. How to find the gross diameter of rivet? Gross diameter formula is 18 point plus is 1.5 into 19.5. We already know. Okay, area net equal to A1 plus A2. A1 equal to 150 minus 2 into 19.5 into 9. 150 minus 2 into 19.5 into 9 for 9 square. A2 equal to 25.9. 25 minus 9 into 8.4 equal to 554.4 square. A1 equal to 5 into 999 upon 5 into 999 into 55 into equal to 0.9. Okay, this first area net A1 was K2, A1 is equal to 999 square and A2 is equal to 554 getting the square. Then K1 equal to 5 into 999. Okay, 5 into 999 upon 5 triple into 554 into 0.4 equal to 0.9. Area of net equal to 999 plus 0.9 plus 554.4, getting the answer 1497. 97 greater than 1466.666. Which is shape zone. Okay, this is the therefore the ISST 25 by the 15.3 kgf kg per meter. Then the in connection strength of 18 mm diameter power driven shop rivets in sharing equal to 100 upon 1000 into 5 by 4 into 19.5 square equal to 29.8 kilonewton. Okay, so this is the of the problem. Okay, then now in bearing of 9 and 10. So from the sharing, you find the sharing 39.36. Then now you find the in bearing of 9 and plan. 9 is a plan equals 300 upon 1000 into 19.5 into 9. You're getting the value 52.65 kilo. Okay. Rivet value you already know. Rivet value 29.6 में तुम्हारा आ चुका था प्रीवियस देखो प्रीवियस में क्या है 29.86 की बॉडी हमारे पास गिवन है देखो तुम्हारे पास 29.86 ठीक है ये तुम्हारे पास गिवन है ओके the value is getting 29.86 then now then now in bearing 9 mm flange okay 9 mm then 9 mm okay this is the in bearing 9 mm flange chain 1000 is 19.5 into 9 equal to 1.6 okay getting the value. Then rebate value is like what I already discussed. Previous value 29 में आ चुका है. So how to find the number of rebates required? Number of rebates required is equal to suppose तुम्हारे पास value है rebate का 220 okay 220 upon 29.86 कितना हो जाएगा तुम्हारा वैल्यू आ जाएगा 7.37 तो इससे हम लोग क्या इशू कर रहे थे 8 ठीक है 8 रिबेट्स हमारा यूज कितना होगा 8 रिबेट्स provide 8 rivets in pair of pair a pitch of 2.95 equal to 48.75 to share the 50 mm center to the distance. Okay. Suppose you provide 8 rivets, you provide 8 rivets in the plate. Suppose this is the plate. with a plate. Okay, to provide 8 rivets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this section, we record this section. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, okay. The first you see the provide 8 rivets and you have 2.5 and 48.7 50. Suppose this distance. Okay, and this 50. I mean this is 39. This plate and is this is 39. This is the 39. And this distance is the 15. Okay. So how to provide the rivet in this, and then 40 mm is this the not in the 39. 40. Okay, समझ में आया कि कोई दिक्कत बताओ इसमें? नहीं पता है किसी कोई दिक्कत है तो? Then now proceed to second question. Okay, then now stop the other question. There is a very important question solved that it is not a steel plate 11. लोग में जो क्वेश्चन था अब now it's a new topic welded connection. Okay, we solve the question from the welded connection. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का वेल्डर कनेक्शन का हमारा क्या है? फर्स्ट welded brackets. The question is the first. The welded brackets connects a plate. Okay, welded connects a plate. The plate is connected from the welding part. Okay. Can I plate to the column frame as shown in figure below? Okay. And determine the size of weld. The allowable space in the weld is the 110 Newton per inch. It's a question of welded connection. How to solve the question? Suppose this is the plate. Okay, this is the flange. Okay, and this is the plate. Okay, this is the column planes. Column plane. Welded bracket Basket connected to plate with following frame. This is the basket plate that is connected. Okay. Determine the size of fuel elasticity in the mounting. Suppose is the plate distance is the 150. Okay. And the connection is the 250 mm. The weather connection is given with 250 mm. Okay. And the ISSB 300. What is the ISSB Indian Standard of? No, sir. ISSB means the Indian Standard Heavy Weight Beam. Okay. CNS we use in the beam. Okay. ISSB Indian Standard Heavy Weight Beam. Okay. This is the ISSB. If we use in the non, okay. So this is the plans. Okay. So the 150 distance and the load is the 120 kilometer. Okay. So this distance is the 250 mm and the 150. Okay. I will can be used. Okay. The solution of the question 50 is the load. 120 distance is E. Okay. 150 into 50 what is there? The center of it is center is angularity. Here. R radius. Okay. Then now lead B is the thought of the thickness is okay. The size of whale. Below S is the S is the size of whale. Okay. shear stress due to direct load. Okay, shear stress is very due to the direct load. FD equal to, how to find FD? FD equal to formula is given in I P upon 2A plus D upon M. Okay. This the P value, the load is the 120. The P is the P value. Okay. 120 into 1000 upon 2 into 150 plus 2. 120 into 1000 upon 2 into 150 plus 250 into 3. Okay. Equal to 218.18 upon T. Okay. The TT equal to, if the shear stress due to the torsional moment, it equal to Ts upon J equal to Ts upon x-axis and F is I to I by y equal to P per upon y-axis plus y I by y. X dash equal distance of the centroid of well loop from the 250 mm well. Joint किया गया है मतलब 250 mm. Okay, we provide that 250 mm. Okay, then now we solve the question is to find the R. So find the R value. Find the R into 150 upon under square 150 minus 40.9 of R square plus 125 the whole square. Okay. Suppose you see the section of image of the section of image, this part. This section is the 150 is the width, height is 250, and the center of gravity is center to 40.91 is already inside. Okay, and the F1 and F2 is 150 thickness. Okay. Then you solve the problems. 165 and 9 to getting the you solve the calculation part. 150 minus 40.9 over square. Then you solve getting the answer 165.92. Okay. Then 2 into 150 into T into 25 plus 250 into getting the 0. Getting it upon 2 into 150 into T into 250 into T. You solve the then getting the answer, you solve this calculation, we're getting answer to 40.9. Okay.